Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the pressure switch on a Samsung EcoBubble washing machine. If you find that your washing machine is overfilling with water when you run a cycle, then it's a sign that the pressure switch is faulty and needs replacing. So to carry out this repair, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Now before we begin, it's important to make sure that your washing machine is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. Having turned your washing machine around, we'll now need to remove the top panel, and we can do that by removing the two screws at the back here. We can now slide off the top panel and set it safely to one side. So now that the top panel's off, we can see that the pressure switch is located here. So now the first thing we want to do is reach under the switch and feel around for a pair of plastic teeth. And when you find the teeth, you can squeeze them to release the switch. For reference, this is what you're feeling for here. Next, we can disconnect the switch from the electrical connection. Then if we turn the pressure switch over, we'll need to release the Jubilee clip so that you can pull the pressure switch off the pipe. If the Jubilee clip is stiff or resistant, you may need a pair of pliers to help you release it. Now it's time to fit your new pressure switch, and to do this you'll need to know your washing machine's model number to make sure that you buy the correct replacement parts. If you're unsure of your washing machine's model number, you can take a look at our video up here on how to find the model number on your washing machine. We'll also link down below in the description where you can find a new pressure switch. To fit the new pressure switch, we can first reattach it to the pipe and then secure it in place using the Jubilee clip. Next, we can refit the electrical connection and then place the pressure switch back into place. You'll know that the pressure switch is in place when you hear it click. With the new pressure switch installed, we can go ahead and replace the top panel and secure it into place using the screws we removed earlier. And that's all there is to replacing the pressure switch on your Samsung EcoBubble washing machine. Hopefully now your washing machine's working properly and not overfilling. Now that your washing machine is back up and working properly, why not improve your laundry game too? The EcoEgg Laundry Egg is a handy accessory to help save you time, money and energy, so take a look at our video down here that'll tell you all the information you need to know about them. Before you go, be sure to subscribe to our channel for plenty more appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all things related to spares and repairs. Thanks for watching!